Let's get healthy and talk allergies, dealing with them in the natural way as Tracy is. She's trying some acupuncture this afternoon.
It doesn't hurt.
Ellie Cole is here. She inserted those needles during the break there. And what's going on there, doctor?
Well, when somebody has sinus congestion, I put needles right here and it really helps open things up.
How does it work?
Well, it works by moving blood flow, right? So fluid is also moving along with our blood, and so when we have congested fluid like phlegm in our sinus area, then the needles help just get things moving through there.
So do you have clients, I mean, if I know allergy season's coming, this is the time of the year I suffer, should I come in before it gets bad, or what's the timing?
So ideally, it's always easier. It makes my job easier, and it makes it easier for the patient to come in before. It's easier to prevent than it is to deal with the problem once it's already there, right? However, having said that, a lot of people don't come in until they remember how terrible allergies are, and I can treat them then too.
Would I need it once a week though, through the allergy season?
It is an ongoing thing,
Yeah,
right?
typically. I mean, sometimes you can get a 5 to 10 treatments in at the beginning of allergy season, and then they're fine for the rest of the season. Or they come in, once a week for the 2 or 3 months prior, and then they don't even have the allergies in the first place, which is the best.
Tracy, what are you feeling there, and what did you feel when she put them in?
Well, it doesn't hurt at all when they put them in. I think they're super fine. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, you don't even,
Tiny.
It's nothing, especially for, a woman who plucks your eyebrows and all that. Trust me, this is nothing.
But for men, it would be very painful.
Yes, I'm sure it would be. But I didn't feel anything at all, and it somehow it does kind of instantly open things up.
There's a release?
Yes, it's pretty quick.
And without any drug side effects, because that's the problem with the antihistamines is that you
get
feel
all dried out.
You feel
and
terrible when you
tired
take them.
Yeah.
So Dr. Cole, what about I got hit? We were talking in the commercial break. My eyes were really bad this year. Acupuncture could help that as well?
Yes, it can. Yes. So
where would those needles go?
Well, so sometimes, I mean, in your case, I did actually put them locally, but there are points in the shin, on the feet, on the hands that correspond with eyes, nose, throat, all of the areas that allergies really hit. So I wouldn't necessarily put needles around your eye. I'd probably put them in the lower leg, actually.
One time I had acupuncture for migraines back when I got them, and they actually put them in my hands too.
Yep, that's very common.
And it worked like that.
That's amazing science.
What do you take into account then when a patient comes in? Is it, what is bothering them in terms of pollen?
Well, this is one of the gems of Chinese medicine, okay? So we treat each person individually, right? So it's not like, oh, you have allergy, I'm just gonna do the allergy protocol. No, because the allergy protocol for you would be different than it is for you. So some people have a lot of heat symptoms, right? They get red eyes, they get red face, they have a harsh sore throat. Those are all heat symptoms. So I would want to clear heat from that person. So I would choose acupuncture points that clear heat. Whereas another person might come in and they're just tired and run down, and maybe the droopy nose, I would want to build that person up. Their system has gotten weakened. So I want to really boost their immune system and strengthen them. So those are two very different things.
Of those things.
I was just going to say all of the
and
above.
then there are mixed pictures.
And how long would Tracy leave these in?
So she would normally in my clinic be laying on a table, on a nice warm table with some relaxing music going on.
How great is this? I'm ready.
And she'd be laying there with the points in for anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes.